Looking for a way to offer more exterior cladding options for customers while further boosting your profitability? Get into the game with STONEfaçade from CertainTeed. A wet cast cement veneer with the beauty of natural stone, STONEfaçade is tailored to help siding contractors stake a claim to the rapidly growing mechanically fastened stone siding category. STONEfaçade installs easily using exterior-grade screws and the simple installation practices used in day-to-day siding projects. It's also fast, installing up to 6 times faster than traditional masonry, so jobs are finished quickly and efficiently. Adding STONEfaçade to your product mix provides more design options for your customers, while further boosting your profitability by absorbing revenue that would otherwise go to other trades. And when it comes to meeting customer demand, we've stepped up to a whole new level. Our new multi-million-dollar manufacturing plant, located in Quakertown, Pennsylvania, is solely dedicated to the production of STONEfaçade and substantially bolsters our production capacity. This facility includes a state-of-the-art warehouse and is the hub of a distribution network providing a stable supply of STONEfaçade to the Mid-Atlantic, Midwest, and Northeastern regions of the United States. And when it comes to partnering to help you sell, no one has your back like CertainTeed. With fully funded mobile training events to get you familiar with the STONEfaçade system, you'll be well on your way to confidently adding this profit-growing product offering to your mix. We also offer rebate programs for contractors, samples, literature, and display walls to help you sell. And access to dedicated market specialists, which provide boots-on-the-ground sales support and lead generation, product and sales training, estimating training, job site support, and industry expertise. To find out more, contact your local CertainTeed territory manager. You can also visit CertainTeed.com for access to STONEfaçade literature, product videos, and training resources.